Welcome to the Lead for Literacy Center's Explore the Elements video series. This series takes a closer look at the elements of the Lead for Literacy Center's framework. The Lead for Literacy framework is a guide to help school and district leaders navigate the process of evaluating, building, implementing, and sustaining evidence-based literacy practices within a multi-tiered system of support in reading. The Lead for Literacy framework includes 5 elements: standards, priorities, and goals, administration, organization, and communication, assessments, instruction and intervention, and professional development and job-embedded collaborative learning. In this video session, we will discuss important characteristics for providing high-quality professional development. Let's take a look at important characteristics to include when providing high-quality professional development. This diagram illustrates how the 5 elements of the Lead for Literacy framework work together to establish an effective multi-tiered system of support in reading. Professional development and job-embedded collaborative learning is one Lead for Literacy framework element within a multi-tiered system of support in reading. In this video, we will focus specifically on the characteristics of high-quality professional development for reading. The viewing guide for this Explore the Elements video series is available as a PDF file. The guide can be used for taking notes and processing the information included in this Explore the Elements video series. Throughout this module, please note the viewing guide icon, indicating that the information on this slide will also appear on the viewing guide. Please be sure to have the viewing guide ready before proceeding, and please pause this video as needed to complete the viewing guide. Effective school leaders rely on professional development for many reasons and are clear about the purposes and expected outcomes when providing professional development to their faculty. High-quality professional development can lead to increased educator awareness and conceptual understanding of new concepts or strategies. It can also promote application and problem solving when information is applied to real classroom settings. As a result, educators can build and refine their skill sets and develop expertise with various instructional practices. Indicators of success regarding high-quality professional development, or PD, are: PD is aligned with school goals, state and district standards and assessments, and teacher evaluation. PD focuses on core content and modeling of teacher strategies for the content. PD includes opportunities for active learning and application of new teaching strategies. PD includes opportunities for collaboration among teachers. And PD involves embedded follow-up and continuous feedback. Effective school leaders ensure that high-quality professional development opportunities are aligned. Alignment occurs between school reading goals, state reading standards, formative and summative assessments, and teacher evaluation systems. This alignment helps to reduce the likelihood of competing priorities and provides overall coherence among guiding expectations. Next, high-quality PD is focused on core content and modeling of teaching strategies for the content. Focusing PD opportunities on core content involves building upon teachers' current reading knowledge and deepening teachers' reading content knowledge. In addition, content-focused PD opportunities are structured to include models of reading, teaching strategies. This means that teachers see examples of instructional techniques during the professional development session, and these examples mirror strategies students will use in their actual work. The next indicator of success of high-quality PD is that it promotes active learning. Active learning opportunities allow for teachers to think about how they can apply new teaching strategies to their existing practice. Providing engaging professional development builds and supports a common understanding for how to implement new skills, provides new knowledge and robust examples of the content, and uses the best formats like workshops, coaching, or professional learning communities to execute the training. Next, high-quality professional development fosters collaboration among teachers. This collaboration may involve time for teachers to collaboratively plan lessons and determining accompanying materials and resources, time to discuss and resolve problems of practice, and time to conduct peer observations and reflect by asking and answering questions about the observations. Finally, high-quality PD includes opportunities to collect participant feedback about the professional learning experience. The feedback provides insight on participants' reaction about the overall session, participants' perceptions about their own learning, participants' beliefs about using new knowledge and skills, and their opinions about student learning outcomes impacted by the participants' new knowledge. Additionally, feedback will identify professional development that needs to be continued, eliminated, and changed to meet the school's overall teaching and learning needs. In this video, time was spent building knowledge about characteristics of high-quality professional development, which must align professional development to school goals, standards, assessments, and teacher evaluation, focus on core content and modeling teaching strategies for reading, include opportunities for active learning and application of new teaching strategies with collaboration among teachers, and embed a process for feedback and follow-up learning activities. Take a few moments to reflect on previous professional development opportunities offered to teachers. Use the notes taken on this viewing guide to support your reflection. Then, for next steps, answer the questions about past and future high-quality professional development. Several research articles and sources on best practices in literacy and leadership informed the content development of this video. References on this list provide a more in-depth look at the foundational components of the Lead for Literacy framework. Thank you for taking the time to explore this element of the Lead for Literacy framework. We encourage you to watch other videos in this series to learn more about our framework and how it can help strengthen your school's multi-tiered system of support in reading. To find out more about the Lead for Literacy Center, you can visit our website at leadforliteracy.org and follow us on Twitter and Facebook. The Lead for Literacy Center is a collaboration between the University of Oregon's Center on Teaching and Learning and the American Institutes for Research. We are a partnership among literacy experts, education leaders, university researchers, and technical assistance providers with funding from the United States Department of Education's Office of Special Education Programs. Our mission is to provide technical assistance to elementary schools and district leaders that builds their capacity to improve teacher implementation of evidence-based literacy practices for educating students with or at risk for literacy-related disabilities. This video was produced under the U.S. Department of Education, Office of Special Education Programs. No official endorsement by the U.S. Department of Education of any product, commodity, service, or enterprise mentioned in this video is intended or should be inferred.